welcome back to my channel, and welcome to those that are new. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button down below. So I know how much you guys liked all the Target dollar spot DIYs, so I went to my local Target and I grabbed myself some more. And this time I grabbed 4 different DIYs. You know it's gonna take us some time, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go. So the first DIY project we're going to try out is this macrame kit. It comes with 2 bundles of yarn, 2 rings, and 1 instruction sheet. And like the other video, I'm going to go ahead and leave the instruction sheet on the screen for you, just for you to see and follow along. We're going to leave the photo next to us right over here so we know what it kind of looks like. Let's start with opening up these instructions. Cut 13 strands of light gray yarn, 16 inches, and then cut 24 strands of the dark yarn, 15 inches long for the large loop. So cut 13 strands of light gray yarn for 16 inches. Right here. Okay. I hope this is enough yarn. So you guys know that Target gives you a little bit more than you do need, but you want to try to make it as even as possible. And then now we're going to cut the dark gray one, and that one is 15 inches. Try not to pull on the yarn while you're cutting, because then you're going to make it kind of like uneven and you're stretching the yarn, and you do not want to stretch the yarn. I'm assuming that I'm going to use all of it. I kind of lost count. I hope that we don't need the rest because I cut more than we needed. Oh gosh, fold them in half. You see what I mean? I don't do that great of a job. Bundle that up. You're gonna make a loop. Okay, so like a cow hitch knot. Like that. Looks like the photo. Repeat. Folding that in half. Halves. We're getting the hang of this, guys. Look at this. We've got all 6 on here. It looks like a beard, doesn't it? We're done fooling around. I'm gonna do the same exact thing for the small ring on the big ring. Guys, we're doing so good. This is getting easy. This one only cost us $3. Voila! We are done with this part too. Maybe I should cut it and make it like place it a little bit better. Tie the hoops together with another knot. Tie the end of the loop together at the top. I'm assuming this one. So we're going to use this and we're going to tie them together. I'm going to make a cow hitch knot right at the top. Super easy. I'm going to cut it down because now it just does not look that cute. Just straighten these strands out. How am I supposed to cut it? Like in a U? Looks like a U. Okay. Okay, maybe I should cut this way so I don't cut into that one. We did it, guys, and this did not take long at all. For the end, you just here make a little knot at the top so you're able to hang it, and you're all set. Let's go ahead and get started with the second DIY. Let's go. Okay, it's time for the second DIY, and we have a feather craft kit, and this was only $1, and look how cute that looks. In here we have 1 bottle of cording, 1 keychain, 1 wood bead, and 1 instruction sheet. We'll go ahead and leave the image right on the side so you know what our expectation should look like. Cut strands of cording, 1 strand 10 inches, 10 strands 3.5 inches, and 12 strands 4.5 inches long. That is 3.5 inches. I don't think this is enough, so I'm gonna try my best this time to make it even. 12 strands of 4.5 inches. I really hope that we have enough. I don't have enough. What the? I only have 9. I'm supposed to have 12 strands.
I don't got that.
So we're just gonna have to do with what we can. The next step is take the long strand and loop it through the key ring. Now twist that so we can put the bead in. Wow, I can't believe we ran out. And we were doing so good. It's not a DIY video without Jenny messing up somehow. So you're supposed to put one of these behind this one. Take the other and insert folded end into the loop of the bottom strand and pull through across the spine. And we're gonna take another one like this and put it over. My sausage fingers can't do this. My sausage fingers, guys! These are so short. Repeat the remaining strands. Place your next bottom folded strand the opposite direction as you finish the knot. Does that look like it was the opposite? Okay, yeah, it does. Because, you know, this one, that thing is right there and this one's on that side. I don't know. So we have two strands that are small on the top. And now we're gonna go to the larger ones. So the larger ones are supposed to be in the middle and then you'll have that at the bottom. The longer ones are definitely so much easier because these fat fingers of mine. And now that we finally got this done, it's not hard, it's just super tedious with these fingers. Brush the cording with a fine-tooth comb or brush, trim the edges to make a feather shape. We got our handy dandy pet brush right here. I'm just gonna start brushing that out. Now that you brushed everything out, you can see how badly I cut everything. It's time to cut it into a feather shape. Our expectation, and that's reality right now, so let's try to make it similar to this. It's not looking half bad. I think it's looking pretty nice. Voila, we got it. Expectation, reality, nah. Okay, so the second DIY was definitely tedious, but let's go on with the third. Now we're gonna work on the Tassel Craft Kit. It looks like this. Super cute colors. And this was only $1 as well. It includes 1 bundle of yarn, 2 bundles of embroidery floss, 1 wood bead, and 1 instruction sheet. So cut 9 strands of yarn 9 inches long for the tassel. Bundle strands together. So that's 9 inches. And you need 9 of these. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I tripping or they're just not giving us enough yarn? That was 9 inches long and they're pretty even. Okay, Target, something's going on with your kits. They're lacking a little bit of material. So just keep that in mind if you do get this. About 1/3 from one end of the yarn bundle, wrap the floss around the yarn and make a knot using the blue embroidery floss. Was I supposed to tie a knot? I think so. I love this blue, it's so pretty. And we're just gonna start wrapping. Hey everyone, sorry for the rude interruption. I just wanted to tell you guys about these glasses that I got from Optical. The benefits for blue lens glasses are the light filtering technology can enhance your focus and reduce eye strain, resulting in making your eyes feel less tired and improving productivity. So I'm constantly on the computer. These lenses definitely help me. I totally tell the difference when I'm wearing it and when I'm not wearing it, because if I wear it, I don't get headaches as much. There's tons and tons of different designs on their website, so make sure to check those out. Okay, so I thought I measured everything correctly, but look at this. What is going on? I'm just gonna have to cut it. That looks really weird. It's supposed to be even. Gosh. Either I'm not following the directions correctly. This could have been like other 9-inch yarn. So now fold the wrap yarn bundle in half, make a knot, and wrap the second color of the floss at the base of the first color. Make another knot at the end. Look how much of the orange we have left. I think we're gonna have enough to like wrap this whole bottom, but it's not supposed to go all the way down. Should I just tie it now? I'm gonna choose the back. Cute. This is how mine turned out to look like. I think mine actually looks a little bit cuter than theirs. I don't know. Not trying to toot my own horn or anything, but it looks kind of cute. Look how much of this yarn we have left compared to the blue one. We had nothing left, so we're gonna use this one to tie onto the bead. Use the extra floss to make a loop at the top of the tassel, add the wood bead and keychain, and securely tie a knot. Okay, we're not gonna need the whole thing. I want it long enough so we have something to work with. I'm gonna just cut the rest off. So now we have this to work with right here, and then we're gonna tie it onto our bead. Now that we have this tied to the keychain and the wooden bead, we're just gonna cut off the extra. There you go, guys. We have it. Look how cute that looks. Let me know what you guys think at the comments down below. This one's cuter or is this one? Let's go ahead and go on with the final DIY. It's time for our final DIY, and it is color pour paint. So I never done the score type technique before, so this is going to be really interesting. This was only $3. So they gave us some of these cups, 2 paints, blue and white, and some popsicle sticks. The little canvas. As step 1 is wearing glove is recommended, not included. What are the popsicle sticks for? You can use a craft stick to help move the paint to the edges. Gotta protect the nails. Now that we got that open, we're gonna start pouring the paint in. You don't want to pour all at once. You want to start mixing it up, and that's how it makes that marble color. This paint is like not the normal paint. It is a lot runnier. Does it look halfway? It does. Flip this like so. Okay, I think it's time for the cardboard. Hopefully the overview shows you guys. You have it like so. You're gonna flip it. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. You want to get all the corners. Cool! This actually looks really cool. So we're going to take our cup, lay it down. I'm going to put that over. Where's my popsicle sticks? Now that you laid down the canvas, make sure you take the popsicle sticks and run it around the canvas for any drops. We have some paint left. It looks like about half. So if you had a different canvas, definitely save this and you can use it for that. Can't wait to see what it looks like once it dries. Alright everyone, well that's all the DIYs that I have for you today. I hope that you guys enjoyed all of them. The Target dollar spot is like the place to go. If you guys don't have a lot of craft supplies at home and you guys want to make one project, you have all the materials already in that kit and you don't have to purchase any more items. I hope that you guys liked today's video. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn your post notification bells on because you want to get notified whenever I post up a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
I saw your face in the morning.